The business district of Montego Bay, St. James, having a major setback this evening after receiving a battering from Hurricane Melissa. Andrea Chisholm is in the second city and now reports.
A boat on dry land, vehicles in a makeshift harbor waiting to take sail. The paradox made possible by Hurricane Melissa. It's the first thing one sees when they enter St. James from the direction of Trelawney. The owner of Scaddy Seafood Restaurant, his workers and other fishermen are still traumatized.
This man me carry water. And I said the only thing somebody can help right now the government. Whole heap of loss. Whole of the restaurant broke down and the boat, a fisherman, you know. And the boat busting at two.
In the business district of Montego Bay, St. James, stalls in ruins, livelihoods ruined. It's the story of vendors at the Old Shoes Market. Meet Tailor John. As his name suggests, he's a tailor.
Lose millions. Me start with a whole heap. Me lose. Look on bag over there, so.
Just moving.
What's this moving?
Why treat me terrible, because it's a big disaster we never expect, you know. I mean, never plan for it neither. That's what I say, because I plan for it, we move most of the things, but we never have to move. So I think it never looks so serious as the people was taking it, because they were very excited at the first, but they say Saturday, Friday, but not Saturday, Friday. Yes, what happened?
How much you lose?
Where we lose, we not know, because we put in loot all the shop, we don't know where we lose it.
They stole stuff from your shop?
Yeah, man, them brought the shop them, them brought the whole shop them and take all the things them out of the people them shop them. In the rain, but some of them morning they do it. I couldn't in the night, because it went terrible, so I don't know when them do it, but they do it.
And from one dilemma to another.
There's a lot of debris in the Charles Gordon Market. Vendors told me that the Barnett River overflowed its banks and flooded the market with waist-high water. And as you can see, the market is now roofless.
White, wicked, bad, worse than Gilbert. Gilbert, everything in normal, I can see the shop top, everything blow off. In Gilbert, I come see them. Kingston I come from, so I stay in the middle down here right now, I can't move. Because I run on my shop, my foot mud up in my shop, mud up, everything mash up and wet up. So it's going to do some clean up, fix up. As I say, I sweep out around my shop, try to make it little, you know.
Vendors are already in the rebuilding phase, and they're waiting patiently on the St. James Municipal Corporation to do their part as well. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.